Hello, my name is Amanda. I'm from Colorado in the United States, and I've been teaching English now for about 6 years. I've taught all the way from children to adults and all different levels. I've also taught in person and online. I lived in Thailand, in Japan, and now I am currently in South America. So I, like you, am learning a new language. I am learning Spanish. So I know how difficult and challenging it can sometimes be to learn a new language. But I like to teach in a fun and different way. I have textbooks, we can do that, but I also like to teach through media, pictures, news articles, things that apply everyday English. And I think if you're doing a more practical approach to English, it makes it easier and a little bit more fun. I want to show you a way of learning something that can be very difficult in a fun way. For example, did you know that there are over 1,000 phrasal verbs in the English language? That's a lot. A phrasal verb is basically a group of words, including a verb, that means something completely different than the literal meaning of the words. For example, if you take the words run, and into, they can mean that you run inside somewhere or physically into something. So here we have Bob running, and into, oops, he ran into his ex-girlfriend. So he physically hit his ex-girlfriend. Ouch. But if you look at those words together as a phrasal verb, they mean something different. So here we have run into someone. Bob has run into his ex-girlfriend and her new boyfriend. So it means to meet someone unexpectedly. Doesn't always have to be uncomfortable, but it just means that you see somebody you didn't expect to see. So in this case, it's a little awkward. Sorry, Bob. So there you have a fun example of how you can learn something that might be a little bit difficult to understand. I hope this helped. I hope that you enjoyed my little mini lesson. And if you did, I would love to meet you, talk to you, help you learn this amazing new language. Please sign up for my classes, and I'll see you soon. Bye.